Before.
Give me one chance.
Hey, check anomalies,
Guys,
check anomalies.
welcome back.
This will get
What's
fine.
up? Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be playing Exit 8. So practically this is a puzzle game where we have to go
Fake
through
ass.
train cartridges. Okay, never mind, not train cartridges, but a
Bro,
very
what is this?
long route.
What is this,
And we have
bro?
to
What is this?
identify which is an anomaly
Budget.
and get through.
Who is that?
Who the hell is that?
Singh.
Wait. Check the eye thing. If it's moving-
Arav, you'll be able to understand that.
Hey, look at this. Look at this.
Shut up.
Joshin Deo.
Yeah, this one's
This is
fine.
no
This one's
smoking,
fine.
you idiot.
Hey, this one's fine. We can go.
So we
what's
can
the-
sprint. We can.
So basically,
The first level where we spawn is always safe.
if the level
we
is
just have
safe,
to
we
Hey,
just move
Shwan
front.
J Deo. Okay.
No smoking.
Okay. The
Timer started. Beat your fastest
What?
time. Okay, come off.
Okay, this is room 1.
It's fine.
But I don't want to see your DD.
Fine. This fine.
Okay, I think these guys are anomaly.
Wait, what?
Do we turn back?
Anomaly. Go. Look at that
Yes,
shadow.
turn
Go,
back,
go,
turn back, turn back, turn back.
Yes.
Let's go.
No. Why are you guys going backwards?
Turn back here.
Turn back.
back.
Yes.
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 Hey, why are you recording?
Just click on yes.
Yay!
Alright. Did we get it? Let's go.
I'm right.
Do
Yeah!
not
We
overlook
got
the
2.
anomalies. If you don't find
Oh,
anomalies,
This
what
fine.
happened?
This fine. This fine. This
Okay.
fine. This fine.
This guy again.
Man is fine.
this is fine, I think. Yeah, this-
Watch the eyes. Yeah, that's fine. Hey, why is there a blank post video?
What's that eye symbol? I don't think this is meant to be.
Oh yeah. Hey, what? No, this is normal. This is normal. It was there.
No.
Hey, what about this? Why is this blank?
Yeah, why is it blank, bro?
I think it's supposed to be blank. I don't know. It's fine.
Yeah, I think
it's blank.
Yeah, it's fine.
I'ma go with these DDs.
yeah.
Alright, yes.
Yeah, let's
Oh, yes, it-
continue.
Bro, why did Akshay put no?
Yeah, let's go. We
I
got
just
3.
pressed E by accident, bro.
You have to go by exiting.
Idiot.
Wow, why do I
It's
keep
fine.
getting teleported?
It's fine.
Exactly.
It's fine.
Yeah, I think this is normal. This is pretty normal.
Is the man fine?
Yeah. It's fine.
Man
it's here.
fine. Hey, why is it 2 door?
There's always two doors. What are you on, bro?
Yeah.
He's on.
Yeah, we go. There's nothing.
No
There's nothing.
smoking,
else.
Yeah, this is fine. Yeah.
Yeah, let's go for it. Yeah, we made it. Let's go.
We're on 4 now. We'll do the metro next one, I guess.
Keep
Okay, yeah, this is
Go,
anomaly.
go,
This is
go, go, go.
anomaly. Turn back. E.
No.
Athar.
Oh, why did I press no? I'm idiot.
I just
Didn't
threw it
read
at
the.
Athar, bro.
Didn't read the.
Turn back.
Yes.
Turn back. Yes.
Yeah, let's go.
Yes,
We
we
on
got it.
5.
Okay, this is pretty easy. I can't lie.
No.
So what do the DD anomalies do?
They did a you.
Nothing, bro. If you get it
Anomaly.
wrong,
Turn back.
Turn back. What?
Turn back. Yes. Q.
Oh,
Press
the
Q,
turn
bro.
back thing is already on my screen.
I'll give you a this thing. Sneak peek, okay? In one of the things,
I don't
okay?
think-
In one of the anomalies, a little tsunami comes.
Nani?
What?
It's so cool.
Tsunami.
Everything's fine here.
Whoa, what are the anomalies?
Something which is not meant to be in the room.
Yeah, let's go forward.
Go forward. Yes. Let's go.
Let's go. Whoa, wow, what do you mean go back? I don't want to spend Robux, mate.
Hey.
Why we in exit number
Oh,
What did we miss?
I think we missed one anomaly and then it sent it back.
Bro.
So the first one's always safe, so we can just go through this.
No. It might not be safe.
No, the room where we spawn in is safe, not the first.
Yeah, it's always safe. It can't be some
So did
tsunami.
we take like a turn? Did we do like a full turn?
This one's fine. Let's go, rat.
Atul, if we get it wrong, it teleports us back to the start. You get it? If we get it correct, we continue.
How do you
until
check if
we
they're
get
an
to
anomaly
eight.
or not?
You check on the side.
There'll
You
be
check on the
something
walls
which is
and
not
everything.
meant to be in the room.
Yeah, you see that you're seeing all these stuff, right?
Like there was last time, there was blood
You
on
see
the
this
floor.
normal stuff. Yeah, when were there?
Yeah, this
these
is all normal.
vents?
Hey, was that the
No,
vents there?
Vents always there.
I
What?
don't think so.
No,
I don't
these
think
vents
so.
are not there. Remember?
So what?
These
Yeah, I think we
vents.
turned back. We turn back.
No, they were
Those were
always
not
there.
there. Those were not there.
They were there. They were there. I can remember.
You sure?
Yeah.
Yes. No, no, no. I don't think. Oh no.
Yeah, see, I told you. Anomaly.
Was it? It.
Where did it teleport us?
I'm here. I'm here.
Where do we have to go? Oh yeah. So
Someone's still.
wait. Come here. Why is this block type of thing on the ceiling, bro?
What are you even talking about, bro?
Do you not see this?
I was blind.
The air vents were always there, I guess.
But still, I never saw.
I told you advents were not meant to be there, and that
I
block,
told you elements are not meant to be there.
Huh?
and that block was also not meant to be there.
What block?
There's no block.
Bro, flashlight is 6 robots.
Go back, air vents are there.
Hey, did he always have black hair?
No, yeah.
He had brown hair. We turned back.
Yeah,
Go
he had
back,
brown
there,
hair,
air
right?
vents, air vents.
That's what I was wondering. He had brown hair. I'm like, what?
You see.
It's good to notice that. I guess.
Elements are wrong.
Yeah.
Oh, if we see it this time, I think it's correct.
Hmm.
Yeah, I think it's good. This is good.
His hair is actually brown, yeah. This one's shit. This one's
Yeah, I got that
Wait,
right.
why
I
is
guess.
there something on the ceiling? Look up here.
See, that was I was talking about. Let's
Oh
just
yeah, there's something on the screen.
turn
Yeah, no,
back.
that's
This is
usually
what I
there,
was
that's usually
talking
there.
There's
about.
also here. Wait. There's also here now. You're saying
Exactly. I was talking about that.
No
I was
wonder.
talking-
This is normal, I think.
Sorry.
Okay, I think we're gonna go.
I think it's like something to
Hey, let's just risk it, bro. We're on room 1 anyway.
I think it's normal only.
Yeah, yeah.
It's normal. Yeah, you made
Aru.
us.
Hey, I'm the one who told it's normal. What?
Everything here is chill.
Bum bum beanie, goofini.
Brown hair, just as
Oh,
normal.
why is he walking like this?
He's always been walking like that.
It's
No,
fine.
he was walking very weirdly.
Chill, we're fine.
No, it's fine.
You sure we didn't miss anything?
Okay.
Yeah, this one's gonna be an anomaly for
Are
sure.
there any jump scares in this room?
Maybe.
Everything's kind of here. Everything's
Who is this guy, bro?
him.
There's claw marks on his back, bro. Some
jeez.
cat scratched him or something, bro. Let's go back.
It was okay.
Could be a cat actually.
Or maybe Nosferatu Jetak. Maybe Nosferatu Jetak. Who knows?
Yeah.
Why is it
Turn back. Yes, let us turn back, you idiot.
Wait.
Eh?
Eh?
Why did you?
Why
Okay,
did
no,
you
actually.
take us out? Dude.
Look,
Right.
where did I teleport? Where are you guys?
They're all here.
Anyway, Dumbo.
Is he fine?
No, this time he's fine. Let's go.
Yeah, it's fine this time.
I'm never counting on you to make a decision ever.
Hey, are there jump scares in this game and all?
Maybe.
I
We don't
don't
know.
know, bro.
You. What? No.
Huh?
What did we
What did
miss?
we miss?
It's a rage bait.
I think I was last round. Because it's stupid. Oh.
Anything?
Mm-hmm.
Fine.
Never listen to Olive. Never listen to Olive.
Yeah.
The dude fine?
Anomalies.
I guess it's fine.
I think we go for this.
Never listen to Olive. Olive.
That's alright.
Yes, correct.
Never listen to Olive.
Yeah, okay.
Just leave him alone. Wait.
He's walking in the wrong spot, bro.
Nothing wrong. Wait, are his eyes okay?
No, it's either fine. It's either
Oh,
fine.
fine. Then.
Eh, what the?
Oh, shut up, please.
I hope tsunami doesn't come anytime soon. I don't like that.
We're all gonna
Escape Tsunami for exit number 8.
That's a weird game name. It.
Why was he checking his phone?
Hey, turn back, red eyes.
Red eyes. I think Jeta gooned to him now. He saw unspeakable things.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm on vacation. Every single. Alright, let's see this
Okay,
one.
bro. We do not care if you are
I
on.
think all of us are on vacation every single day, bro.
New.
Is this guy fine
Get
this
out.
time? Yeah, I think he's fine.
Yeah, this is fine. Hey, why is it avatar like that? Did you pay Robux for it? How much Robux?
We are on room 4.
10 Robux.
What?
Why is it?
Why is it telling
No,
us?
no, no.
No, no.
Why is it asking for no?
Then say no. Just
Up to you, buddy.
testing us.
The duty is fine. This dude is fine.
Bro, can you just flash it?
Right. Didi blood is fine. No charger program.
So,
Charger
This game is pretty
Yo, let's
serious
go
now.
5.
Let's go.
but you get Raji baited when you make a mistake. That's the thing.
No, I don't want to done that.
Don't back.
He's chill.
It's fine.
Just chill.
Game actually so easy.
This, yeah, that's it. Yes, go forward.
Nani?
Huh?
Huh?
How?
How?
Hmm?
What? What did we miss?
How? Dude. Scam talk.
It's the genuine spam talk.
Why don't you have Cocoman and all?
Actually.
How? No,
How, bro? Just
no.
how?
What did we miss?
Wait,
Lock in.
Wait.
No.
Lock
No,
in,
no,
lock in.
We have to
Wait,
install
wait.
everything.
Wait, do we just wait here? Do we just wait here? Do we just wait here? Yeah, let's just wait.
Left. Oh, yeah. Was there a smoking poster here?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, it was. There was.
So let's memorize these. Knockoff.
Yeah, it's toothbrush, ramen, and
Guys, I'm gonna kiss the
wala,
wall for extra
and
for extra measure.
blank, and then eye wala. Yeah, the smoking one is there.
Let's go through. Ah, open! Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. We got it. Okay, Adam.
Okay. The smoke. These.
Is Gunnar Jetak fine? Gunnar Jetak.
Yes, the Gunnar is fine.
This is
This room is good. This room is
If we
good.
get this wrong, it's rage bait. Yeah, we're good.
Oh, that's lucky.
Keep left wala.
no smoking. Exit number 8.
Keep left is fine.
Wake out. He looks sick.
Wait, Arif, jump on me, no? Come on me, come on me.
He's holding a crucifix.
What?
Oh shit, he got crucified, bro.
Why is bro holding
Run.
I think.
90%, bro. It's always the man who's so sus, man. He's doing
Yeah, I
something.
think we haven't been paying attention to his.
Okay, everything so. Climax, climax.
Run.
Yeah.
So we have to pay attention to every single detail.
Attention to detail.
Left, the smoking ring thing. Oh, the
My screen's black.
It is
Okay,
fine.
fine.
Thing.
all
All of that is there. This should be good.
Is he good? I think he's
No
good.
smoking camera there.
Camera here also.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go through. Let's go.
Yes. Okay, we're back at room 5.
Okay, now this we have to actually lock in.
Like,
My screen's black. I can't help you.
Keep left is there.
Smoking, everything's correct. Elvins, he's hold.
You holding good.
I'm gonna extra scan him. He's fine, I guess. But
Everything's
Rian's clear. Rian just AFK, bro.
Rian,
Camera.
Rian,
Camera,
day.
everything's fine.
come here.
I
What?
can't move.
What?
This?
My screen is black.
What is
What
this?
did we miss?
Actually, what the hell did we miss?
What are you looking
Okay.
at?
Yo,
Yeah.
this guy's
First
chill.
level is always skill, so it's just be done.
So let's just go through.
Yeah.
Wait, let me rejoin the
What
game.
did we miss there?
It's always 5 which we fumble at.
Exactly. We can't
Everything was correct there. What did we miss?
look at that. Pretty.
He's good.
Yeah,
Bro,
every
the man is so sus, bro. Holding a crucifix with slash things on your back, bro. Oh, hell no.
Rian just rage quit.
Nah,
He didn't. He's in the call.
Yeah, that is fine. This is fine.
Is this Diddy Blood fine?
GD is fine.
I'll just wait in the lobby when you come back.
Yeah, everything should be fine.
Please tell me I got it correct. Yes. We're good. We're good. We're good.
If that is there.
He's running.
Oh my god, let me through.
Oh, when you told he's running, I thought he was gonna kill us.
Yeah, no joke. Bro.
Probably would have killed us.
But we ran on a leg. Is he fine?
He is fine. Those are correct.
Wait, did you guys check the keep left thing?
Yeah.
I always
I
check
checked.
it. It's always at the start, bro.
We're always
Okay, everyone locked in for this.
we always fail at this one. Okay, this one's correct.
Turn back. No.
Okay, smoking wala.
How many did you get?
Marks on the vent. Marks on the vent.
What's on the vent?
What level?
Yes, finally, bro.
Yes.
No, not turn back. Oh yes, yes, turn back. Yes, turn back. Yes, turn back.
Arav, I'm gonna slap you, bro.
I have reading mistakes at this point.
Your brain.
No
That
smoking.
Still lock in.
Definitely mark. Nothing on
Is Diddy
that.
Blood fine?
Yeah, DD blood is fine.
No. Let's go.
If we get this wrong, I'm gonna raise. Oh, we're so close. Lock in, lock in, lock in.
Lock the hell.
Please tell me. All the paintings are same.
Paintings are wrong.
Both are all the same.
Back here. Exit. Let's go. Yes.
Let's turn back. 'Cause
No, this is the exit.
exit matlab?
Like we won. We're about to win.
Oh, I'm getting an epilepsy attack.
What?
About the exit. Fine, join me.
How is that the bad ending? Did we win?
Join me.
I think it's the man with the claw marks on his back.
Never found.
What's that shadow?
Yeah, I'm just gonna cover my screen. I don't want to get jump scared. Bad ending. You missed 8 anomalies.
So what would we meant to do? Fail the game or what?